Success quotes, lessons on growth, strength, and perseverance, turning pain into power. Overcoming doubt, success begins in silence. One day, the very people who doubted you will claim they always believed in you. That's the power of success. When you build in silence, you remove distractions and prevent unnecessary attacks. Self-improvement often comes with loneliness, but true growth is always worth it. If someone tries to pull you down, it only proves they are beneath you. Failure is nothing more than a temporary bruise, not a lifelong scar. Everyone experiences pain, but the key is choosing who is worth enduring it for. Instead of dwelling on wounds, turn them into wisdom. Every setback carries a lesson in disguise. Surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you. If they don't, you're not in a circle, you're in a cage. Mindset shifts for lasting success. A fulfilling life isn't free from struggles. Even the hardest storms serve a greater purpose. Instead of crying over endings, celebrate that they happened. You are the author of your own story. Never hand the pen to someone else. Smiling isn't just a sign of happiness. Sometimes it's a display of strength. Standing alone is far better than being in bad company. Break free from society's unrealistic expectations. Most people don't even know what they're doing themselves. Dream big, work hard, and stay focused. The family you create through meaningful relationships holds more value than the one you were born into. Ask yourself, how many risks would you take if you knew failure wasn't an option? Effort is the price of success. If you're not willing to put in the work, don't expect the rewards. Every sleepless night and early morning will eventually pay off. The secret? Be valuable, not just available. The journey to greatness. The hardest moments in life often become the most cherished memories. Stop oversharing. Protect your dreams. Words are powerful. Choose them wisely, as they can either build bridges or burn them. Success isn't found by staying in your comfort zone. If you only walk under sunny skies, you'll never reach your true destination. Final thought. Keep moving forward. Greatness is never instant. Allow yourself to be a beginner. Move forward, even if you have to do it alone while tired, broken, or afraid. Never make permanent decisions based on temporary emotions. Life is a book, and a bad chapter doesn't mean the story is over. The safest road isn't always the most fulfilling. True beauty is found in taking risks. Be proud of your journey. You've survived what once felt impossible. What's your definition of success? Do you believe success is about hard work or the right mindset? Share your thoughts in the comments. Success quotes, the mindset of champions. Success is not just about talent or luck. It's about discipline, resilience, and the ability to push forward despite challenges. To achieve true success, you must master your mind, control your emotions, and stay focused on personal growth. Stay calm and build inner strength. You are at your strongest when you remain calm. Instead of judging others, invest that energy into improving yourself. Train your mind to be stronger than your emotions. Protect your privacy. There is power in keeping your plans to yourself. Problems are not stop signs. They are lessons guiding you forward. Turn pain into power. Life is like a book. Some chapters bring happiness, others bring pain, but each one is necessary. True strength is not about public victories, but the silent battles fought in solitude. The struggles you endure today will transform into the strength you carry tomorrow. Sometimes, obstacles don't reveal your weaknesses. They expose your hidden power. Embrace the journey, not just the destination. Never tolerate disrespect, not even from yourself. Worrying is like rocking in a chair. It keeps you busy but takes you nowhere. A ship is safe in the harbor, but that's not what it was built for. Stop chasing the wrong things and let the right ones come to you. There are no shortcuts to success. Take the stairs, one step at a time. Success requires sacrifice and smart choices. You will be judged no matter what, so be who you truly want to be. If you never fail, you're not pushing yourself hard enough. Hard work builds wealth, but working on yourself builds a fortune. Success without effort is like expecting a harvest without planting seeds. If you hold on to the wrong people, you'll never meet the right ones. Take control of your thoughts, or someone else will. Stop talking. Start doing. Take action instead of making empty announcements. 5 years ago, you wished to be where you are today. Appreciate the progress. Playing it safe is often the riskiest move of all. Never be ashamed of your struggles. There's no shame in working hard for your dreams. But remember, working harder without direction won't get you where you want to be. Success isn't about time. It's about the value you create. Discipline. Over distractions. Keep improving yourself so intensely that you have no energy left to criticize others. Control your thoughts when alone and your words when with others. If you fail to prepare, you are preparing to fail. Don't just follow the crowd. Create your own path and leave a trail. If you're not where you want to be, let that be your motivation to keep moving. Success is built on discipline, not luck. Stop oversharing your plans. Most people don't care, and some secretly want you to fail. Progress is slow, but quitting won't make it faster. What comes easy won't last, and what lasts won't come easy. Don't let yesterday's regrets ruin today's opportunities. Let go of the past, focus on the present, and fight for your future. Success quotes, the mindset that leads to greatness. Rocket success isn't just about talent, it's about resilience, discipline, and the ability to keep pushing forward despite setbacks. If you want to achieve great things, you must train your mind to focus on progress, not perfection. Overcoming failure. Lessons from your mistakes. You have survived all your mistakes, and that's proof of your strength. Winners focus on winning, while losers focus on winners. Before something great happens, things often fall apart. That's part of the journey. When someone tells you that you can't do something, they're revealing their own limits, not yours. Seeking validation from others will only lead to disappointment. There are two kinds of pain, the one that hurts and the one that transforms you. Embrace the latter, the power of patience and discipline. For the sake of your peace, keep certain things private. If you always tell the truth, you never have to remember a lie. Choose wisely who gets your time. Not everyone deserves it. Silence is the best response to those who don't value your words. Fear is temporary, but regret can last a lifetime. Your future matters more than your past. The only real failure is making the same mistake twice without learning from it. Excuses may make today easier, but they make tomorrow harder. Discipline does the opposite. Worrying about failure is failing before you even begin. You are much closer to success than you think. Don't quit now. The journey to greatness. Sometimes solitude is the best way to find clarity. We fall, we break, we fail, but then we rise, we heal, and we overcome. The sacrifices you make today will reward you with freedom in the future. Be patient. Everything feels difficult before it becomes easy. Don't let yesterday's regrets steal today's opportunities. If you're exhausted, take a break, but never give up. The two most important days in your life are the day you're born and the day you discover your purpose. Hardships shape ordinary people into extraordinary individuals. Mindset. Is everything positive? Thinking will take you further than negativity ever will. The only real mistake is refusing to learn from failure. Your past should be a place of learning, not a place of living. Move forward. Trust the process and don't rush it. Big dreams require big discipline. Staying positive in a negative situation is a win in itself. Sometimes you win, and sometimes you learn. A single bad day doesn't define your whole life. Keep moving forward. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. If you believe success is possible, you'll see opportunities. If you believe it's impossible, you'll only see obstacles. If you never try, nothing will ever change. Don't give up on yourself. There's a reason you started this journey. Success begins in the mind. Win there first, and the rest will follow. Making mistakes is better than faking perfection. Accept the present, release the past, and trust in the future. Final thought: never quit. A calm mind leads to clarity. The moment you feel like quitting is the moment you need to push harder. Control your thoughts before they control you. Grow in silence. Let your success speak for itself. No one else will push you, so push yourself. Your patience when you have nothing, and your attitude when you have everything define who you are, no matter what. Never quit. Success quotes: build resilience and take control of your future. Success is not about luck. It's about mindset, discipline, and the ability to push forward despite challenges. The most successful people understand that growth comes from struggle, and the key to winning is persistence. Embrace change. Nothing lasts. Forever pain, failure, and setbacks are temporary. Nothing lasts forever, not even pain. Keep your plans private until they become reality. You only fail when you stop trying. Success isn't about having more time, it's about eliminating distractions. People come and go. Learning to stand on your own is a powerful skill. Protect your peace of mind. It's one of your most valuable assets. You can't move forward while holding on to the past. To become the best, you must endure the worst. A goal without a plan is merely a wish. Wasting time wishing you were someone else only robs you of the potential within you. The power of mindset and growth. If life were predictable, it would lose its excitement. Think of life as a coin. You can spend it however you want, but you only spend it once. Practice self-compassion. Nobody is perfect, and mistakes are stepping stones to success. Time heals almost everything. Just give it time. Sometimes letting go of something good makes space for something even better. What others think of you is none of your business. You can't start your next chapter if you keep rereading the last one. Success requires persistence. The best views come after the hardest climbs. You will never find a rainbow if you don't look up. Tough times don't last, but tough people do. You may not control the wind's direction, but you can adjust your sails. There are no shortcuts to places worth reaching. A river cuts through rock not by strength, but by persistence. The only barriers in life are the ones you create for yourself. Focus on what you can control and release what you cannot. The only time you should look back is to see how far you've come. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Even diamonds are formed under pressure. Embrace the challenges that shape you. Surround yourself with the right people. Don't spend beyond your means just to impress those who are struggling themselves. Choose people who bring you peace, not loneliness. No company is better than bad company. Stop comparing your journey to others. You don't know their struggles. No one else will figure out your life for you. That is your responsibility. Life isn't always fair, but it is always worth living. Take risks and trust the process. Those who fear taking risks will accomplish nothing. Financial stability matters. Money eases burdens that time cannot. To avoid disappointment, expect nothing from anyone. Stress is temporary, but the lessons it teaches last a lifetime. Work hard, trust the process, and opportunities will find you. Final thought: choose growth. Over comfort? If you are a giver, remember to set boundaries. Takers rarely do. In life, you have three choices. Watch things happen, make things happen, or wonder what just happened. No regrets, only lessons. No worries, only acceptance. No expectations, only gratitude. Life is too short to waste on things that do not serve you. The more interested you are in others, the more interesting they will find you.